Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to activate iMessage on iPhone. So if you want to start using iMessage on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, if you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to activate iMessage on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down the settings page, and click on messages. On our setting, click on apps, then scroll down until you get to messages, and then select it. Now, once you selected messages, locate where you see iMessage. If this is disabled, you'll not be able to use iMessage on your iPhone. Now, to enable or activate iMessage on your iPhone, turn on iMessage. And then hang on, you see send and receive has no addresses. Then after a couple of seconds or minutes, your iMessage will be activated. If you say waiting for activation, just hit the back button, click on the messages again, and then it should say your iMessage activated. So that is basically how to activate iMessage on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.